Hey y'all, welcome to Sunflower Tasha DIYs. I'm Tasha. I like to do arts, crafts, DIYs, recreations, Bible journaling, thrift, and trash flips on my channel. So we are going to be doing a little bit of some turkey DIYs today, or like Thanksgiving, whatever you want to call it. And I have this little wood block I've had in my stash for a while now. And I have actually a bunch of them, like red ones, black ones, that I had cut down from projects that I did a long time ago before I even had a YouTube channel. But now I'm taking these tumbling tower blocks and I'm also painting them. And then I have this like arrow, heart and arrow from Valentine's Day. And I'm going to go ahead and cut these down. I'm making the little beak and that little thing that hangs down from the beak on a turkey. I have no idea what that is even called, you guys. Well, I'm pretty sure somebody will know and tell me in the comments, so thank you. So next I sanded down this little wood round and then I painted it as well. And then I'm going to take my Tombow marker in the yellow, and then I'm also going to use the Tombow marker in the red to paint that little like thing, like I said, that hangs down and the beak. And I go ahead and paint the sides and stuff too, where like I cut it down so you couldn't see that raw wood. And then I tried to use some wax that was left over on my little thing just to kind of not make it so bright. Now that my surface is all cleaned up and ready to go, we are going to go ahead and assemble this. And I'm going to be using some of my 3-in-1 glue and a little bit of my hot glue to get that right now hold. And we'll just center it here. And then I'm going to glue down the beak and that little thingamabobber, whatever that thing is. And then I'm going to use my craft sticks. I'm not sure where these came from or what they even are for, but I had a bunch of them in my stash. So I grabbed every single one that I had in my stash and went ahead and used some Waverly wax on these ones just to give it a little different contrast from the body. And then I glue these down like so. And I actually had one extra that I did not even use. I did pop that back in my stash because you never know what I could use that for. And then I'm going to glue down the little tumbling tower blocks for the feet, and that is going to be it for this first project. I am going to go ahead and make some eyes with my Sharpie marker, even though my Sharpie marker ran out. I tried a few different ones, but I end up using a Paper Studio marker, like in the brush marker, and that one worked pretty well. And then I'm going to use my white pen here, and that's it. All right, let's talk about today's collaboration with my friend So Kate and her co-host Kiki's DIYs. Kate put on this collaboration, Falling for Turkey. This is going to be my last fall video for the season this year, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to watch the playlist of all the other crafters I will have linked in my description box. So project number 2, I'm going to give you one more turkey project here. I'm going to use a wood round from the Dollar Tree. I actually used 2 of them. I just don't show you the other one right away. I'm going to use 2 of those little wood dice looking things, and I am going to paint this with truffle chalk paint from Waverly, and then I'm going to paint these as well. I paint the whole entire sides of these except for one little side. That way I have somewhere to put some glue down. And I do that to both of them. And you can see the part where I didn't paint right there. Once it dried, I did flip it over so I could paint one side. Now, the only wood round I could find was this little Halloween one. So I decided to go ahead and use it because the other side was plain. So I'm going to glue this all down. Now these are going to be the feet to my turkey. And then that little triangle thing, that's a little wood round. I got that from Tiamu. And I went ahead and used the Waverly wax on that one instead of the truffle. And now we'll just glue everything down here. Like this. Dorbs. Looking cute so far. I haven't even done much. And then the triangle thing. And then I did get some googly eyes from the Dollar Tree because they had some couple giant ones in there for eyes. So I'm going to use these for eyes. I always thought googly eyes were kind of weird and creepy. But I think this kind of tied in this little turkey. Now, I'm going to make sure it stands up. It does. And then I'm going to take this foam stuff. You guys, I don't like this foam stuff. I have a lot of it in my stash. Every time I touch it, it just like gives me these, I don't know, like I crinkle inside. I don't know how to explain it. Also, when I cut wood, it does the same thing to me. It does something to my mouth and it just makes me like real crinkly. I don't know. It's weird. Does anybody else have that weirdo problem? So I'll use my 3-in-1 glue and my hot glue to glue these down. And here is the second wood round that I'm going to be using. I noticed I needed something at the bottom, so I'll use a couple of the tumbling tower blocks. And that just made it work out perfectly. Now I didn't cut my foam, of course, perfectly, so one side is a little bigger than the other, but you will not be able to tell once we are all finished here. And then I took all these picks that I got from the Dollar Tree. I have no idea what these are even called. I'm so sorry. I probably should have looked at that first. But they are from fall, so I just go ahead and just pop all these in all the way around, and it's going to look so cute. These are supposed to mimic the little tail feathers. I don't know. I thought this was really adorable idea. You could even change these out with different picks for, that the Dollar Tree comes out with. And then I'm using this chunky yarn that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just cutting it down to the correct size to make that little thing that hangs down from his little beaky thingy. I have no idea, you guys, what that is. Then I'm going to use this little thankful that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's like a fake faux, I don't know, leather or something. I don't know. But that's it for my second project, you guys. I hope you enjoy it, and you will see more at the final reveal. So let's move on to my last project here. I got this board from the Goodwill for $2. I got the fox from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, and then the thankful sign came in a pack from Hobby Lobby. Now, I'm going to give this cute little fox a coat of white chalk paint. I did paint the sign in Waverly Wax. And now I'm just doing the rubber round method of his face. And then I will cut this out so it'll be a perfect match. I also did that on the tail already. And then I will use my glue stick to glue this down. You guys know me, I always like to throw some farmhouse cuteness in here. This is my favorite one, of course. Those other turkeys are kind of scary, I know. I know. But it wouldn't be a craft, if I made them perfect. But the little fox is so cute, and he can chase around the little turkeys and try to get them something to eat. I don't know. Now I'm just painting on his eyes with some apple barrel paint that I had saved in a little container. And now I'm just doing a few little dots on the eyes. I do paint the thankful in like a light brush with Waverly Snow White paint. And now we'll just glue everything down. And that is going to be it for this project as well. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. And I just want to say thank you to Kate and her co-host today for having me on the playlist, and you guys don't forget to watch that. It's going to be linked down in my description box. I'd also like to say thank you to all of my subscribers for liking and commenting. That I really appreciate you guys. That does help my channel grow so other people like yourself can see. So we'll just hop right into the final reveal of these ugly turkeys. But it's very creative. I think a kid could make this. If you couldn't find the little wood piece like I had, you could always use foam. And this is so cute. I just love it. I like the little, what are those, like picks and stuff for the tails. I thought that was cute. I don't know. What do you guys think? And then, of course, my adorable little fox. He's so adorable. I also saw my friend Loli do this, which I already had a plan to do this for this DIY. So me and her think so much alike, and I think that's so amazing. So I will link Loli's video down in the description box so you can check out her cute little fox that she made as well. So I want to say thank you for watching Sunflower Tasha DIYs. You guys can follow me on my YouTube channels. I have a personal account that's Sunflower Tasha DIYs, and then I have a YouTube like where I just post my YouTube pictures of my projects at Sunflower Tasha DIYs Gallery. So I want to say thank you one more time, and don't forget to watch the playlist, and I hope you guys have an awesome and amazing day, and be blessed and be thankful. And I just want to say bye. Have a good day. See ya.